climate crisis. Have you ever been ill? Then you will know what it feels like to have a fever. Body temperature rises. You either shiver with cold or sweat from heat. You feel weak without energy. Your whole body hurts. You cough and have trouble breathing. Your stomach aches. Yes, being sick is very unpleasant. It's a total drag. When we get sick, we realize that the most important thing above everything else is health. And if our health is important, you can imagine how important the health of our planet is. Our planet, the Earth, suffers from a disease which is getting worse every day. And it is called the climate crisis. Its symptoms are obvious. The weather turns extreme. Hurricanes get more and more violent. Droughts worsen and cause terrible fires. Rains fall harder. Ice on the poles melts, increasing the sea level. And the cycle of seasons is interrupted, causing the increase of plagues. And the rise of new diseases that nature used to keep away from us. The climate crisis is the most serious issue facing humanity because all other problems will stem from it or will be aggravated by it. Poverty, hunger, diseases, extinction of species, desertification. But why is the Earth sick? We use fossil fuels to run cars, factories, ships, aeroplanes. This use produces large amounts of a gas called carbon dioxide, which accumulates in the atmosphere and traps the heat that comes from the sun, making the planet heat up like a greenhouse. Only trees and plants are fighting against this climate crisis. They absorb carbon dioxide from the air and turn it into wood and oxygen. For thousands of years, the balance has been maintained, but we have long produced more carbon dioxide than plants can absorb. In addition, we cut down huge tracts of forests that used to clean the air and take care of the climate. And we exploit them industrially, so that a few people can make a profit while ruining the future for everybody. The excess of carbon dioxide accumulates in the atmosphere and traps heat from the sun, and the temperature of the Earth rises dangerously. The rest we already know. Earth is ill, and its illness is called the climate crisis. The future of life on the planet is in danger, and we have to react now. We must drastically reduce the emission of greenhouse gases and learn to live in harmony with nature. Our planet is sick. Caring about the health of the planet means caring about our own future.